was a very good one.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Oh, my princess is back. Oh, my princess. Oh, you're welcome. You shall live long.
You see?
You've been useful at this day. You're welcome.
Thank you so much.
How was the journey?
It was beautiful.
And how was the trip?
Oh my goodness, it was beautiful. But you know, a little bumpy here and there, but fine.
Good. Oh, you are welcome back.
Thank you so much. It's good to see you. Daddy, I think I'm really tired. I have to return to my room to have my deserved rest.
Good idea.
Okay, Daddy.
Then we'll talk some more later.
Okay,
Huh?
okay, Daddy.
All right. You're welcome.
And this is back.
My wife, my sister, my daughter, all rolled into one.
Why is Nneka doing this to me? I mean, considering the fact that I have been chasing her over the years, even back in the university.
So it's about Nneka? That you've not been answering the call I've been calling you for a while? Please go and ask her. You know her house, not me.
She's your friend.
Come on, John. Do I look like Nneka to you? Don't you know Nneka again? Please, I saw your mom at the market. She gave me these vegetables for you so you could add them to the soup for your afternoon meal. Since she won't be back early. If you like, prepare the soup and eat. If you don't like, sit here and be bobbing your head over Nneka. Here, have it. Take her. Sorry, Dal. I'm not being able to do it. It's It's not as if I forgot, girlfriend. It's just that I've been busy. Running errands up and down, here and there. Who's busy? Even yesterday I thought I could do it for you. John's mother relayed me in the market with a message for John. And come on, talking about John.
Here. How did John find his way into this conversation?
It's just that he's not letting me rest.
We were talking about my clothes that you were meant to stitch for me. Just stop all this John talk now.
Sorry. It's just that yesterday when I saw him, he was very miserable. Very, very miserable. It's not about me. It's all about you that we've been talking about.
That is none of my business. So we're talking about...
It's a human being that we're talking about here. A person's feelings. This guy was interested in you all through the university. And he made it clear to the exclusion of every other girl. But he hardly looked his way. You're my friend though. And I believe that down deep inside that place you like that guy. Because I know you very well. Stop pretending. You like him. What? So, what's wrong? What's the problem? Yes or no? Do you like John or not?
I like him, but...
Okay, so what's wrong? John is nice, he's brilliant, he's cool, he's responsible. Even I'm using company. So what's the problem?
Joe, you know that these days we have to be careful of all these boys. You never can tell. I'm just trying to be very careful.
Girlfriend, you're right, but I think you should give him a trial. Just give him a chance.
Yeah, whatever. It's left for me to decide that. After all, it's my life.
Oh, I'm sorry.
That peel is cassava and stop talking too much. Every time, John. If you like him, go for him. Are you not the girl? You could peel this cassava.
Are you sure with one?
I'm sure now. First, be there. In a manageable.
My father is fine, Your Highness. He sends his greetings.
Ah, good. Glad.
Is that for me?
Yes, yeah. Please sit down. Yes, I want you to come and meet this young man sitting beside you. The Dibuna, the crown prince of Idemili Kingdom. He has come to see you.
I am delighted to meet you.
My dears, duty calls. I'll be back shortly.
Very well, Your Highness.
Didn't you realize that we've just been stage married? My father leaving and all?
Yes. I know. I know.
So yes, aside the whole title thing, what's your actual name?
My real name, I am Prince Ikenga Chibuno of Idemili Kingdom.
To be around you.
This is madness.
No. Interest.
So, is that why you keep staring at me each time you see me?
You are entitled to your opinion, but I can't help it. Because you're beautiful, Neka. Me staring at you doesn't imply madness. It implies interest.
Interest? In who?
In you. Nneka, please. Give me a chance in your life.
John, I can't. I mean, you guys are all the same. You people are not reliable.
No. All men are not the same. You've known me since childhood. Have you ever seen me with any girl? Or even heard?
John, leave me alone. Leave me alone, please. Leave me.
Nneka.
Yeah. So, this is good.
Oh.
Is there something about your palace? Like, how's your father, your parents, everybody?
Well, they're all fine.
Are you serious?
This is the most beautiful palace I've ever been to.
Are you serious, Brian? Your father has a bigger palace than this.
Yeah, it does, but you can't compare it with this one.
Are you serious? Did you just see what my father did about that? Like, he just came and just whispered into my father's ear and just
Where
like that.
He said duty call. That's what he said.
It's crazy.
Everywhere like one big.
Following you around?
Yes, now. Everywhere I turn, I see John.
Oh my God, how romantic.
What did you say?
Fuck up with them. Good morning.
Good morning.
Thank God he didn't stay as much as he used to stay.
Why did you say that?
He didn't stay like before. Didn't you see him?
Hey, my girlfriend. Why are you trying to cover that disappointment that is written all over you? When he didn't do his usual thing.
Me, Moa, disappointed.
Hey, look, Nneka. We've been friends for ages. When will you understand that? Stop pretending. I don't see anything that is wrong with you letting your head down and being friends with
I beg, see me. You know where all these things will lead. You know.
Look, Nneka, relax and live for once. It's not as if you're preparing for a nunnery or something. Do you want to be a nun? You're just his sister.
Not to meet your sister. Huh? John. What is it? I've told you before. If you like him, go for him.
I don't like him now. That means you don't want to get married.
You don't like him. Why are you telling me to go for him?
You don't want to get married. You want to end up in a father's house.
Are you not a girl? Is he your brother?
He's not my brother, but he's okay for you now. Am I not your friend? I want the best for you.
Auntie John. Okay, you want the best for me?
Yes.
It's not the best for you. If you go,
he didn't run after me now. He was running after you.
It's
you that you want. You end up in your father's house now. I won't talk to you about this issue again.
Would you? Yes. Are you looking for Sister Anne?
No.
She just left.
No, I'm not looking for her. She's already home. She sent me to bring the same items for your mother. She said she forgot to bring them along when she came.
Oh, Mama is in the back. At the back, yeah.
Okay. And Joe, what's happening between you and my friend Ineka?
What's happening?
When it seems she has started showing interest, you're acting uninterested.
I guess everybody have their limits. I have reached my limit. I tried. Guess it wasn't good enough.
Yeah. It's a real pity. But keep on trying. She might change her mind. Alright? Let me see Mama.
It's a pity.
Okay, guess what?
What?
Why are you laughing?
I just finished telling you something now. It's funny.
It's funny. Yeah. Ne, guess what? Guess now.
What? Storyteller, what?
Okay, let me help you. Sister Anne is taking me to Lagos. She said she will help me get a space in Johnson and Maja PLC.
Are you serious?
I'm joking.
How lucky for you, my friend.
Lucky. I know how you feel. Don't worry, alright? I talked to her about you. She said that this opportunity comes once at a time, that she'll bear you in mind, and I'll always remind her. Okay? We'll be leaving tomorrow morning.
I'm going to miss you.
I'll miss you too.
I'm going to miss you so much.
Don't worry.
Come, I'm going to miss you.
Don't worry. I'll miss you terribly, but you'll be fine. We'll keep in touch.
I know we'll keep in touch, but no problem. Thank God I have John to keep me company.
Just be yourself. Just be yourself, alright? You'll be fine.
Sure.
Don't cry. No, you can cry. Don't start crying.
Oh, come on, let me give you my last hug.
Hey, go. Haven't paid me now.
I'm coming.
Come on, I don't understand you. How many gallons did they fetch?
Now 5.
Alright, bring your money now. You don't fool now. No change. One is 20 naira.
I will give my change, my yes, sir. That's what we still for that one now.
How many gallons you don't fetch?
5.
Give me your money now. How many you don't fool?
How much you gotta fill this small gallon then for me?
10 naira that one.
5 naira.
You are not understanding. Wait a moment.
Bring me change now.
Take your change.
What is wrong with me? God, what is happening to me? Jesus Christ, I've begun to stay just like him, so shamelessly. My God, what is the matter with me?
Neka! Neka!
John, what are you doing here?
To look at you, I have been meaning to do that since I saw you at the ball.
John.
Look, Neka, my intentions for you are very honorable, and that is why I have had so much patience over the years. But I've noticed your reservations, and I want to propose that we stay as friends. Thank you.